What's going on, guys? Welcome to TechnoRight, where technology is done right. So today's video we are going to be repairing and upgrading this laptop right here, the Lenovo G505. Okay, so this laptop, as you can see, it has defects on the screen. It has like this black holes kind of thing going on there. I don't know how that would happen, but it happened. And basically the battery, it can't hold over 1 hour of charge, so we are going to be replacing that as well. And currently this laptop has a 500 gig 5400 RPM hard drive. We are going to be swapping that with a 120 gig King spec SSD. So yeah, now let's get into the repairing and upgrading part. Okay guys, welcome back, and as you saw, we have done everything, and the laptop looks brand spanking new right now. So amazed by how the laptop looks right now. So I've ran Cinebench, and basically the score was like terrible, like so damn terrible, but hey, you know, it's just a dual core, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. YouTube streaming at 1080p was pretty nice. Everything went smooth. As you can see, my video is playing in the background right now. And yeah, basically this laptop is good for an office user who uses Microsoft Office and maybe like want to watch movies with a bigger display. Okay, so basically that's about it, guys. If you want more videos like this, please put them down in the comments below. And yeah, I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.